Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to edit in-progress bulk send documents in BoldSign. The Edit Document feature for bulk send allows senders and sender admins to update individual documents within a batch while they are still in progress. This lets you correct outdated settings, fix errors, or add missing details to a single document without interrupting, or restarting the entire bulk send, saving time and improving efficiency. When an in-progress bulk send document is being edited, any signer who tries to access it will see the message document currently being edited. They cannot view or sign the document until editing is complete. If the signer has a BoldSign account, the document will automatically move to Need Attention and remain there until all updates are finalized. A few restrictions apply when editing bulk send documents. The document title and brand details cannot be changed. Documents incompleted, declined, revoked, or expired status cannot be edited. If a document has multiple recipients and some have already signed, changes will apply only to recipients who have not yet signed. Additionally, label and hyperlink fields cannot be modified once any signer has finished their part of the signing process. Imagine a sales manager who finds a role error in one bulk sent document and quickly needs to correct it without canceling the entire batch. Let me show you how to do this. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. Expand the bulk send menu and select My Bulk Send. On the My Bulk Send page, a list of all your bulk send will appear. Locate the bulk send entry that needs editing and click on it. This opens the bulk send document page, where you'll see a list of all documents included in that batch. Find the specific document you want to edit. Click the context menu and choose Edit Document. Alternatively, you can also open the document's overview page and select Edit Document from the More Actions menu. An Edit Document dialog box will appear. Please note that while the document is being edited, any signer who tries to access it will see a message stating, "Document currently being edited," and will not be able to proceed until editing is complete. If the signer has a BoldSign account, the document will automatically move to Need Attention until all changes are finalized. Click Yes to continue editing, or cancel to exit. You'll then be taken to the Prepare Document page, where you can update the file, recipient details, CC information, or document settings. Keep in mind that certain elements, such as the document title, brand details, and signing order, cannot be changed during editing. Returning to our scenario, the recipient roles need to be corrected. The first signer was mistakenly assigned the signing role, but he was supposed to review the document after the second recipient completed the signing. To fix this without deleting any assigned form fields, swap the names and email addresses. Enter the second recipient's details into the first recipient slot, and the first signer's details into the second slot. This reassigns the roles correctly without affecting the document setup. If you need to stop editing at any time, click Exit Edit Mode. Once your updates are complete, click Next to move to the Configure Fields page, where you can adjust form fields if necessary. When everything looks correct, click Send. A Review Changes dialog box will appear, showing the updated details. Click Send again to finalize your changes. Your document has now been successfully edited. You can view all related activity in the Document History section on the Overview page. That's it. The Update a Bulk Send in BoldSign gives teams the flexibility to make quick corrections without restarting the entire process. It helps ensure accuracy, saves valuable time, and keeps your workflow running efficiently. Ready to take control of your bulk sends? Log in now and update your documents with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more BoldSign how-to guides. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more BoldSign tutorials.